Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I fixed my LiftMaster garage door opener. First with a simple soft reset, and then I'll walk you through a full factory reset, only if you really need it. If your garage door is acting weird, like it starts to close then suddenly opens again, don't panic. This might help. Let's get started. Before you try anything big, start with this soft reset. It's super easy and it fixed my problem right away, plus it won't erase any of your settings. Here's what to do. Get on a ladder so you can safely reach the opener. Unplug it from the power outlet. Wait about 1 minute, plug it back in. What happened next for me? The light on the opener flashed blue, then turned solid yellow, and just like that, it started working again. Sometimes a simple power cycle is all you need. Okay, if the soft reset didn't do the trick, then you can try a factory reset. But heads up. This will erase all remotes, keypads, and settings. You'll have to reprogram everything from scratch. Here's how to do it. First, find the Learn button. Go up to your garage door opener and look for a button that says Learn. On mine, it's round and yellow. On older models, it might be square and could be orange, red, or purple. And then press and hold the Learn button. You'll see a small light come on. Keep holding it until that light turns off. Once it's off, let go. That means the reset is done. Now test your remote. It won't work anymore, because everything's been erased. Your opener is now fresh and ready to be set up again. If you need to, you can now pair your remotes and keypads just like you did when you first installed the opener. Feel free to reach out in the comments or contact support if you need more help. Thanks for watching and good luck with your garage door opener.